Alright, I have an old Yale lock here. This is actually a Pushkey padlock, which I didn't know. I got this a couple weeks back with a bunch of railroad locks, and because it was pretty old, I wasn't sure if it was operating properly. I tried to tension the lock, and it wasn't moving, so I just figured it was all seized up. So I sprayed some WD-40 in there, and I was doing some research, and before I realized that it was in fact a push key lock, and you can kind of see it giving right there. So what's going to happen is to put tension on it, you're not going to twist it, you're going to pull on it like so, and attempt to get all the pins set. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Gotta put it in the vise pretty tight. Okay, that should be good. And for tension, I'm going to use a screwdriver. Alright, that should be good. And go ahead and get started. I believe there's only 4 pins in there. I'm not sure. Alright, there we go. Not a lot to it. The biggest problem I was having was with getting the first pin set, because it's you can't really see it, but it's kind of all serrated. Not on purpose. I think it's just machined like that. So there it is. Nothing else to it, I suppose. I like this lock. I like the lock a lot because it's one of the older ones that I have, and that's the only push key lock that I've come across yet. And so to lock it back up, you can just turn it right over like so, and it's locked again. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy picking.